Hello, Typing.com educators. This video will guide you through the reporting features available to school and district administrators. We'll start by viewing school administrator reports. From your dashboard, click on the Reports button located on the left side of the screen. For all reports, you can click View Report for detailed data. Use date filters to refine your view. Click on any heading to change the order, and use the Print and Export buttons to save or share information. Let's start by diving into school administrator reports. The first report we'll look at is the Teacher Usage Report. This shows a detailed breakdown of Typing.com activity for each teacher in your school. Now we'll look at the Activity by Grade report. This provides a granular view of student performance broken down by grade level. And finally, the Activity by Teacher report. This provides a summary of aggregated activity for each teacher in your school. Now, we'll move on to the reports exclusive to district administrators. We'll start with the School Usage Report. This provides a comprehensive overview of each school's Typing.com activity. And lastly, we have the Activity by School Report. This provides a district-wide comparison of typing activity and performance across all your schools. And that's how to run reports as a school or district administrator on Typing.com. To learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.